one.
New for 2010, this is the Kawasaki Prairie 360. This is the full automatic version. They do make a 5-speed version as well. 360cc single cylinder motor. Motor's bulletproof. It is still carbureted. Keeps the cost down. Keeps it simple in case you guys do need anything, to do to it. Same push button 4-wheel drive setup as its bigger counterparts, the brute forces. Same pull type cable actuated differential lock. Not enough to say about this quad. Probably the best quad you can buy for the money. New color for 2010. That's about it. We'll take her for a spin.